First off, let me apologize. This is the first time using this camera, so I'm sure it's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to try. We're going to test our luck with a little bit of artificial bait fishing. The wind's blowing towards me, so it might sort of kind of mess me up unless I walk around to the other side of the pond. I'm actually here to help do some estimating on some repairs to one of the ranges, shooting ranges, in which I'm a member of this club here. I have been for a number of years. It's not expensive, or wouldn't be here. Couldn't afford it. But it used to be an old concrete facility at one time. That's where the ponds came in at. There's several ponds on this facility, but this is the one we're probably going to be shooting, or not shooting, but fishing at today. But I may go over there where you can see where the camera's pointed at now, because that's where I'll end up, over in that direction, to help with the estimating of the materials that will be needed for reconstruction of the baffles, I believe it is, in the pistol range. So this is me, Sleeper Adventures, take one. Alright, this first lure we're going to be throwing is a little popper, made by YouTube channel Ugly Dog Lures, my buddy Goose, aka Charlie. And this is one of several lures that I've purchased from him, but we're going to give this one a shot. And it could be these fish just plain ain't hungry, because they're just automatic feeders. First one, yeah baby, double hook. Make you go yee-haw. Nice little bass. Small, but it's a bass. All right, before this battery dies, I'm gonna move elsewhere. I'll take it. I found the spot. Yeah, it's gotta be shooting at 308. Very popular round around here of all the military.